Pag umiyak ka, di mo ko love. Pag umiyak ka, di mo kami susuportahan individually. So, ganun, di mo na ako mahal. Ha? Ha? Di mo na itong mahal eh. Ano, umiyak. I love you.
Nakatingin
Umiyak.
sa salamin.
Umiyak. Naiyak kasi.
Nagbago sa'kin.
Ngiti na. Smile ka na. Pasok na ako. Tuprep na ako ng oras na 3. Kaya get ready pa. Umiyak.
Di ko inakala.
Naiyak. Ano umiyak? Mahal kita, pero bakit ang sakit? Ang cute mo, umiyak. Grabe. Balik ang buhay. Naiyak ka, wala naman akong ginawang masama sa'yo. Tapos ikaw pa yung nagagalit sa akin. Ako pa yung nagmumukhang masama sa'yo. Diba? Ako pa yung nagiging mumukhang masama. Kahit wala naman akong ginagawa. Diba? Sucks. What the fuck? I just had it. Ano pag nagka-jowa pa kayo niyan? Kakantado niyo yung jowa niyo? Hindi ko alam na may makikilala sa hindi na sa pagkakataon. Na umiyak? Ako nagla-live ako araw-araw. Hindi naman ako tumitigil mag-live eh. May rason ba para tumigil ako mag-live? Ha? May rason ba para tumigil ako mag-live? Wala naman. Mag-live ako. Iyak ka. Bahala ka. Naiyak ka dyan, bakla. Walang manunuwi ko sa'yo, kundi ako na lang din. Ito inaasar pa yung mga umiiyak. Ayos na kayo. Ayos. Ganyan lang din mangyari, hindi na ako maglalagay. Bawo ng pako. Bawo? Alam niyo amoy ng pako? Parang amoy papaya. Sobrang healthy niya.
Ain't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So what are you? You here? It'll take me back. Here's when it feels like crack. Well, you know that you always do it right. Lift up your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gonna do. Give me up all night. Hurting bad, let it hurt sad when I look you in your eye. Tell me what you really do. Kiss it better, baby. Tell me what you really do. Kiss it better, baby. Waking up all night, baby, tell me what's wrong. Gonna make it right, make it all night long. I've been waiting up all night, baby, tell me what's wrong. Gonna make it
Kala
right,
mo talaga.
make it all night long.
Ginabaw ko ng kiss ko.
Lift up
Ayaw
your
ako.
pride, just take it on back, just take it on back, babe. Take it back all night, just take it on back.
My reputation says that I fall too fast. They try to twist it, try to make it sound bad, but I don't care. No, I don't care. I broke some hearts and had my heart broken too. And that's the risk I took when I fell for you, but I don't care. No, I don't care. This is just the way I am. Sorry I call again when you don't pick up, and tell you you're beautiful but probably too much. I'll try but I can't treat you like the rest of LA. Oh, it's just not in my
Dikit lang
DNA.
kasi minsan kasi may mabahong pa.
Love you
Yung sa akin kasi ang bango, amoy papaya. Pwede mong himurin.
I wanna hold your hand in front
Yeah.
of my friends. Say what I'm feeling and not have to pretend.
Sabi ni mama, ano?
Don't care. No, I don't care.
Himurin.
I wanna brag about you when you're not around. Hear your name next to mine, 'cause I like the way it sounds. I'm sorry I call again when you don't pick up, and tell you you're beautiful but probably too much. I try but I can't treat you like the rest of LA. Oh, it's just not in my DNA to love you only halfway.
Kaya nagagalit kasi kayo, parang kinandado nyo kay Rachel. Kapag nakikita nyo may nakakalive akong babae, nagagalit kayo. Kasi hindi nyo gusto. Gusto nyo kalive ko lagi si Rachel. Sa tuwing na nandyan siya, hinahanap nyo siya. Kayo din kasi yung gumagawa ng rason kaya kayo nasasaktan. Huwag na kayo mag-overthink kasi. Katrabaho na nga lang ako para sa future natin. Huwag ka mag-alala, next month din ako makapag-live. Ako nagsasabi sa'yo, wala na ako. Hindi na ako makapag-live. Next month, wala na ako. Hindi na ako makapag-live. Para walang problema. Diba? Busy sa work.
Wonder what I'll do when I got something when the whiskey's run out. 'Cause I've been looking at you since 2:30 when the text is downtown. This is like courage, got me way too honest. Push up on my vibrate, let's catch a vibe while the sun's down. That's now on my
Jersey?
Yeah, Jersey, like get that. Like I was looking to
I don't gotta know if you're taking. I just let you know,
You know what? I'll just bring my bag.
no one's gotta know just as in the mood when the sun starts waking. That's the only direction I see. As long as we keep it low key. You ain't gotta low key. I said I can't say, just keep it secret. Say I'm the cool night, don't wanna leave it. Low key. Wizard with words telling me my energy so bewitching. So I go first, that's an open bar.